Now I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT. So there are two ways. One is like, if you have a Google Chrome, any browser, you can search like let's say I have this Google Chrome, this is a browser, so I am going to search here ChatGPT. Okay, simply ChatGPT, and I'm searching it. So now I got ChatGPT, and here you can see sign up, and you can sign up with your Gmail or whatever, and you can, yeah, here you can give or continue with Google. You can sign up with in ChatGPT account by using your email ID, or you can create a account. So in that way also you can use ChatGPT. Okay, just simply using your browser. Let's say every phone has this Google Chrome, so you can use it. So this is the how it looks like. Okay, so now like you just remember I already saved, or I already copied some text from my that book, so I can paste that text here. Like click on it here, paste. Okay, so this is a one paragraph which I got it from that book. I got this text by using Google Lens. You remember that in first video. So here I am going to give some comments. So I am going to give like, okay, read this content and make 3 MCQ questions with answers. Okay, then I am putting this thing in a double inverted comma and send. Now you see this ChatGPT, this is a artificial intelligence tool which read whatever data, whatever text I gave here, and gave me questions like, what was the reason given by Parvais for not being able to contact Aniga near the Syria-Turkey border. So these are the options, and it will give you answers too. So you give like, okay, read this content and give me MCQ questions with answers. So it will show you like, okay, option B is the answer, option C is the answer. But one thing you have to keep it in your mind, you have to read that content. Even if you are putting it in ChatGPT, you have to read it. Okay, then you make sure this given data is true or false. That you have to check it. So this is how we use ChatGPT, and even you can get whatever you want from ChatGPT. Let's say now I am going to take a biology class. So I have some doubt about something like what is photosynthesis, let's say. So I can ask here, what is photosynthesis, and give me some example, something like that. So if I give a command here, see, this is giving me answers. So you can use this for many purposes. Okay, this is how we use ChatGPT. And another way you can use, you can get, if you are using this smartphone, go to Google Play Store, open Play Store, and in Play Store you search here Bing, B-I-N-G. Okay, Bing. So you see this Bing chat with AI. So now I downloaded it. So you download this, this is a browser, and you can download it. And once you download it, now I am downloading it, Bing. Okay, now I downloaded it. So it takes some time, and open Bing. I downloaded it. So this is like a Google, I mean this is like a browser, so you can use it, this for using ChatGPT. So you see ask me anything, so click on it, and you see the let's chat, this blue thing, hi, I am Bing, your AI powered, this one. So click on it. So here also you can ask, this is like you can directly open ChatGPT through Bing, and you can ask anything you want. Okay, what is, let's say, what is refraction? that is in physics class. So I can ask here. So ChatGPT gives me the right answer. So here, like, you can use whatever you want. You can give a command here, and if you want to make some MCQs from the text, you copy those texts with using Google Lens and put it here, and you can get it. Now I asked what is refraction. Now ChatGPT is giving me the answer. Refraction is a phenomenon of bending a wavelength. So this is the two ways through which you can use ChatGPT. One is like by using open your Google Chrome and create a profile there. Otherwise you can download Bing and do it.